As the National Assembly, and following a request from the Minister of Foreign Affairs, we have a delegation of 4 members traveling to Addis Ababa in solidarity with the Kenya candidate. The members are led by the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations, the Honorable Nelson Koech, CBS MP, the Honorable Haikam Miziki, CBS MP, the chairperson, Diaspora Affairs and Migrant Workers Committee, the Honorable Major Retired Abdullahi Bashir Sheikh, MP, Vice Chairperson, Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations, the Honorable Millie Odhiambo, CBS MP, the Minority Party Whip, who joins the team in her capacity as a member of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations. I'm also aware that other members of the National Assembly will be traveling to Addis Ababa as part of the leadership and citizens of the country in solidarity and support of the candidature of the Honorable Raila Odinga. Indeed, in line with the provisions of standing orders, I have received around 40 notifications from members intending to attend the activity. For clarity, these members will be traveling in their private capacities as citizens and leaders and therefore will be self-sponsored. We allowed them for that patriotic duty.